Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike, we are back with, another video on the 1988 Saab that's turned into a real Saab story. No, it hasn't. This has been the greatest car ever. If you have not seen the series on this car, yes, I bought it for $300 and something at an auction. Yes, I got it running for a short period of time. Yes, it quit running for a long period of time. And then yes, we got it running again. This time, we're going to do what we can to make it look better because she's a real mess. I mean, she is a porky pig right here. So, what I want to do is put on the little battery protector. We're going to power wash this thing and see how nice she can look. We might even try to remove some of the window tint. We are going to have to definitely paint her right here, but we're just going to give her some attention and some love, and I'm glad that you are here to join us with this journey. So, without further ado, let's get this 900 Turbo looking like a real Saab. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
And just like that, we have the battery protected. Look how Saab did this. I thought it was something kind of homemade, but this is factory. Okay, look how close the battery is to the exhaust. Yeah, that's where your heat is right there. That's where your battery is. You don't want the two to meet. So you get this little plate with some kind of, I don't know what this is, asbestos or something, I don't know, to keep the heat away from the battery. So we are good there, but look how dirty this engine is. I may even spray down the engine. Okay, I can't get it too wet because I got to move this out of the shop and I got to move it to the front of Randy's house out there. Of course, I am at AAR HQ, Auto Auction Rebuilds. This is, of course, Randy's shop. If you've been following along, you know I had the car delivered here. Ooh, I need to vacuum out a lot of stuff. What you're not seeing, though, is a whole bunch of rodent poo, which makes me really, really happy. Okay, now, what else? Let's see if we can find a screw. We can make her official because I have a license plate. I don't know if I can find screws that'll fit there, though. We'll just have to kind of make do with something. And then we're going to back her out and we're going to wet her down and we're going to get her looking gorgeous. Look at that. That is awful. Just a power wash is going to change everything about this car. Absolutely will. I think I have a couple of cans of engine cleaner too, so we might even do that. Yeah, I think we're going to do that as well. The only thing I'm really disappointed in is this. I have a cracked windshield. I don't know how difficult these are to find or how difficult they are to replace. I'm sure the rubber's just as hard as could be holding it in there, so I may just have to live with that. I don't know. But, whew, let's get to work because we're going to get her clean and pretty. We've added water to our reservoir tank. This was actually floating around inside of it. This is like one of the things that go underneath the cap when you buy radiator fluid. It was just sitting in there, just kind of floating. Ugh. Okay, but we have water. Well, distilled water, because nothing is too good for my Saab. I got to come up with a name for her still. If you can think of a name for a 1988 Saab that's in need of a good cleaning and has had a very storied life, I'm sure, let me know. Leave a comment below and suggest a name. Okay, I have removed the grill. I want to show you the giant colony of wasps that used to live there. Yeah, so this tab is actually broken. I'm going to take it home and do a little JB welding, do a little magic work, and then I'm going to find another screw that'll fit right here. But this, oh, that's just gross. I got to get rid of this. I'm afraid to touch it. Anyway, yeah, we're making progress. Ooh, I never even noticed this. University of Georgia. Yeah, I used to live in Atlanta. Cool. That's not where it is, but yeah, cool. Sorry for the wonky angle, but I don't have my camera stand. So let's see if we can open the door and get her out of here. Yeah, let's see if we can lose all of our air conditioning. And we're going to take her out back and show her what a real car should look like. Yeah, hopefully she's going to start. Come on. Here we go. Oh, come on. You wanted to. Oh my gosh. I think we need more gas. I think the problem is there's not enough gas to get into the fuel reservoir. Okay, Randy, I'm going to have to owe you some gasolini. I'm going to have to owe you some. Okay, let's see how that did. Now she's going to work. Please. Please, mamacita. Come on. Oh, gosh. Woo! She's moved. Oh, shoot. Okay, that'll work. Oh, the brakes are terrible. Okay. This doesn't even work. There is no emergency brake. Uh-oh. I do want to show you something. I don't have the microphone, so the wind may be a problem, but look at this. She's idling. And she drove over here. So she wants to be clean. Look at this. Yeah, she's a mess. This is it's gonna hurt, little girl, but you're gonna be so much happier in the end, okay? Wow. Okay, let's bring out the power wash. You think she's much better? You know what? She's 1,000 times better. And when she's wet, let me show you what she looks like on this side. It's just so hot out here. There you go. That's a little better look. Yeah, a little wax, a little buffing, a little bit of glue, maybe a heat gun. So this goes back into shape and she'll be 1,000 times better. Look at this. Look how nice the tires look, even though they're really, 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 really old. Look at this. Okay, we do have some issues right there. I might try to find one of these, depending on how she does. But there's nothing wrong. There's no dents. Okay, look how nice that came out. That was all full of crusties. So much better. Maybe she'll even get another antenna. Maybe I should do that. Man, oh man. It's just beautiful. Where's the hood release? We're gonna have to carefully do the engine. I can't power wash the engine like that because it'll blow everything off. So let's just, here we go. Here it is. Yeah, I love how this opens. I really do. I think this is so amazing. And here we go. That's a hot mess. But I really think if I just give her some soap and then, oh wait, do we even have brake fluid. I didn't even check. I thought there was a weird problem when I was trying to make her stop. She didn't seem to have a lot of stopping power, but yeah, she doesn't have a whole lot of brake fluid in there. Okay, well, that's a problem. Yeah. All right, let's cover up the battery, or we'll disconnect the battery, we'll spray her down, and then we'll give her a quick wash. Well, I think we're done for the video. Yeah, look at her. Look at that. What a difference a spray wash makes. Look at this. So, yeah, we've sprayed the engine. I'm letting it completely dry. I could maybe try to start it. I just don't know. I like engines to be super, super dry. A lot of the black was coming off of the intake hose right there. The intercooler hose as well. But I'm so happy. I think it looks great. She's fantastic. We still have our air leak right there. I need to figure out what size hose. I can't forget the hose that goes inside the gas tank, because I have to get more. It just doesn't run well if you don't have that hose from the return line here back into the gas tank, because it pours into the container, the reservoir, and then it cycles through again. And without it, like I said, when you get low, like a quarter of a tank and below, it gets really, really iffy. I wish I could close this too. But look at her. Okay, we got to research the brake fluid issue. We got to get some paint. Not some paint. Well, I think we are going to have to do the top, because this is starting to come off, and there's a little thin spot right there and here. But you know what? It's just this. It's easy to do. Maybe Santa Claus, hint, 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 will do this car as well. No, I can't ask him to do 2 cars. That's too much. That's way too much. I'll just do a rattle can myself. Or we'll take it to Mako. But look. Yep, I love it. I am so happy with this $300 car. You can't even imagine. Like I said in other videos, I've had the convertible version of this. It was when did I have it? I was living in Topeka when I first started the news career, and I was living in Topeka. It must have been 1995, so maybe it was like a 1990, or maybe it was an 88. I don't remember. I'll have to go back and look and see if I have any pictures of it. The convertible, and I loved it. I really did. It was quirky and it was strange, and I loved it so much. And then I sold it like an idiot, and then I bought the newer version, the 9.3, and I didn't like it near as much. This is back when Saab was Saab. I got to put the key. I got to hide my key as well. Anyway, here she is. I want to figure out what I can do for the rear seat right there. That is an issue. I got to figure out why the brake right here just doesn't seem to do anything. I don't even think it's attached. I don't think so. This does have the seat belts that go bzzz right there. I think that's cool. They don't work for some reason. Maybe a lot of this stuff just doesn't work. But I have a whole new dash. I have my dash pad cover, which I love. What is this? Oh, this is something else. Okay, yeah. Anyway, I am so very, very happy. So we'll hide all this stuff right here, so nobody will mess with it. And we'll recycle the battery from who knows when, last century almost. I like it. I think I'm even going to recarpet back here. I probably will. Of course, I say that now, but yeah, I think I'm going to recarpet this and maybe get a new piece of wood under there so it's flat again. But it just deserves. The car just seems like it really wants to come back to life. Now I got to find my hose. What do I do with my hose? Here's my new glove box. Old. Oh, I got to go in. Crap. I got to go under here. Here we go. Okay, we'll be back. Hold on. This is hose I'm talking about. It's got to be special hose. Okay, so it's in the tank. It's surrounded by gasoline and gas fumes, and it's got to be really, really good. So we'll have to just kind of get another one. That's okay. There's the other dash, glove box, all the other parts that I haven't used yet. I love it. We're even going to, like I said, order an antenna, because that one's a little beat up. But anyway, look how easy this is going to be to remove. Look at that. Hopefully the rest of it is this easy. to remove. All right? Woo! Come on, girl. You're making me happy. That's going to wrap it up, everybody. Thank you very much for watching this video on my Saab story, 1988 Saab 900 that is bringing me so much joy. If I stumble a little bit, it's because I've had quite a day. All right, I started off at about 7:30. We went from Tulsa to Oklahoma City. I got all of the parts that I needed for this car at the junkyard. Then I drove down to AAR and I shot a video. Yeah, the video before this one on how we got it here. We got her back to life. She runs and she drives now, which is fantastic. Then I went over to Sando's workshop. We did a video on how he was kind enough to paint the hood and the roof of my Volvo wagon, which you need to go check that out. And then I came back here to do kind of a power wash video and just cleaning up the engine and just kind of moving the car to get it out of Randy's way. So yeah, it's been a day. And they said YouTube would be easy. No, nobody said that. They said it was going to be difficult and you would work your rear end off. And I have, and I am, and I still love it because I don't have to wear makeup and I don't have to wear a tie. I do lose my voice a lot because I'm talking way, way more than I used to. So please go follow and subscribe to Santa. Please go follow and subscribe to Randy at Auto Auction Rebuilds. If you don't subscribe to Monkey Wrench Mike, what are you waiting for? Join all the cool people, all right? And subscribe. I would appreciate it. The Saab would appreciate it. My lovely wagon over here that I love, love, love would appreciate that as well. Once again, leave a comment. We're coming up with a name for the Saab. It's got to be interesting and quirky, just like the Saab itself. Something Swedish would be cool. I don't know. Just give me some ideas. I love it. Leave a comment and I'll take a look at them, and maybe in the next video we'll name her and we'll take her for a drive. I got to figure out why there's very little brake fluid. We'll put some more antifreeze in her, and then we will officially take her around the block. Well, she's got a license plate now. She is legal. She's insured, and we'll get her out there on the road. Looking forward to that. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Okay? Let me assume the position. Here we are, and bye. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.